Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 1 hour and 20 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The clip is focusing on the Forex market, on the Euro-US dollar. There are some very big swings going to take place in the markets soon. There is a big shift underway currently. I have pretty good idea of what is going on, and if you see this video, very lengthy video, you'll get full explanation as to what I have in mind. You will see exactly what I see. You can take a trial, you can pay with PayPal, or you can take the usual service. I go on holiday, in fact, on Monday, this coming Monday. So you wonder why I promote my service before I go on holiday. Well, it's an opportunity for you, because if you take the weekend product, for example, I'll convert it for you to a daily product. While I'm away, I am continuing to record, but not on a daily basis. Nevertheless, you will hear from me quite often. If you take the normal product, the daily product, I'll give you a refund for the part that I'll be away. Yes. Other than that, I intend to keep in touch with the markets. I love to follow the markets on close basis. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, Czech koruna, US dollar Mexican peso, British pound Japanese yen, the euro Japanese yen, and then the euro bond, euro bubble, euro charts, the USD bond, gold, silver, heating oil, the Dow, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, the FTSE of the UK, Italy's MIP, and I'll terminate the video with a look at IBEX 35 of Spain. Okay, that's the euro. And I want to show you here, that's the monthly scale, and I want to emphasize the immense support that there is here at around 115, 120 area. Do you see that? We're going back here many years. We're going back here to 1973. Of course, the euro in its current form did not exist then. It only came around 1992, around here. So I think that that of course is based on the echo. But you can see the level. You can see the level. The composition of the euro has not changed materially to cause us to doubt the structure. I mean, once it transformed from being the echo into the euro, the composition has not changed materially, and I think that we can still work with this chart as a good indication of what happened in the past. And you can see the level. You can see there is massive support here. So it is quite possible that what we are going to witness now is a rebound from that multi-decade support that is resting in this zone. A rebound could take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year. Yes, I will not make very long-term projections here at this point. I'm taking it step by step, and right now it appears to me that there is a lot further upside. The way it stands here, you can see the MACD with the huge divergence here on the weekly. The MACD turned up, and the price action is fairly encouraging, definitely encouraging as far as the bulls are concerned. You can see that is again now the MACD, but now on the daily scale. You can see that divergence here. You can see where the price is here. It's right here. The daily is absolutely booming. Look at that, booming completely. It's almost reached the level of the orange line, meaning it's almost around here, the MACD. And the divergence itself is also very important. You can see the scale of the divergence. So I think that there is fairly good structure here for us to lean on and to project that we are going at least to 127. I told you yesterday that if we reverse up, and that was my expectation, yes, to reverse the reversal, if you remember, we're going up, we will get the projection of the inverse head and shoulders. Do you see that? Inverse head and shoulders coming into play, and that's exactly what I think is now underway. I think we will have continuation up. I will go and see the 60 minutes now. That is the 60 minutes, and you can see the inverse head and shoulders. That's the projection, giving us let's see, 20, 50, it's about 300-400 pips. Yes, 300-400 pips from where it is right now. So yes, 127 is definitely a target, you see. That is looking reasonably clear. Yes, I'm pretty happy with this. This is looking to me like a sensible and well convincing, really, pattern to work with. Again, no reason to throw caution to the wind, but there is a good opportunity now in the forex market, also in the stock market and the bonds. These are three markets that come to mind. Markets that appear to have good trend now underway, and I think you should position to go long. Do not try to sell this market short now. Yes, the euro, with all the bad news in the media, etc., this market you should not sell short. This is my opinion. This is my advice to you. If anything, consider at what point you want to join the long side, but stay away from the short side. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access, you see 7 videos, you can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs a modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these 2 addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.